Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen wal aqibatu lil muttaqeen wassalatu wassalamu ala sayyidil anbiya'i wal mursaleen amma ba'd fa a'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim bismillahir rahmanir rahim assalatu wassalamu alayka ya Rasulallah wa ala alika wa ashabika ya Habiballah. Dear brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today our topic is mutual understanding. There must be a mutual understanding among those living or working together in a family, organization, office, or a factory in order to run the system in a proper way. Mutual understanding among the people working together in any office, madrasa, jamia, school, anywhere plays a key role in the development of that institution. On the other hand, a lack of mutual understanding causes many problems. When the people who live or work together understand and take care of each other's feelings and emotions, such as their likes and dislikes, joys and sorrows, etc., it is called mutual understanding. If there is a mutual understanding among family members, it will create loving home environment. All the family members can share their problems and difficulties with each other and can consult with each other regarding their matters without any hesitation. Speed and quality of work in an office, factory, or any organization increases, and the organization makes progress if there is an environment of unity and understanding. Understanding amongst teacher, head, and staff members of any office, school, or jamia improves the standard of the education, and a friendly atmosphere is established. In short, wherever there is an understanding, it will bring about only benefits. And if there is a lack of understanding at home, all the family members feel uncomfortable. They are afraid of sharing their problems and troubles with their family members and hesitate to consult with them. If such an environment is found in an office or factory, it affects the production and the progress. If such a situation is found in any madrasa, jamia, or school, it not only leaves a negative impact on the standard of education, but it also damages the personality of students. To, to establish an atmosphere of mutual understanding, it is very helpful to remember blessed ahadith. Number one, our beloved Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa wasallam said, O Anas, respect elders and be kind to young ones. You will have my company in paradise. Subhanallah. And number two, he is not from my ummah who does not respect our elders and does not have mercy on our young ones and does not recognize the rights of our scholars, means does not respect our scholars. Dear brothers and sisters, usually there are two types of people in the home and office. Some are those who have high status and some are young or have low status. If anyone behaves respectfully with elders and shows love and kindness toward young ones, inshallah, many problems will automatically be solved. So be kind and respectful with good intention. Inshallah, it will help you to create an environment of understanding with the people related to you, and you will get many benefits in this world and the hereafter. May Allah Azza wa Jal bless us with the goodness of both this world and the hereafter for the sake of our beloved Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam. Ameen bijahi nabiyil ameen. व आखिरु दावाना अनिल हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन।